Yes, good morning to you out there. Good morning, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, gender neutral human beings, whatever you are today. Guys, it is January 13th out here, 2023, and it is 9 a.m. No, we're not getting a later start than we usually are. Today we went on a few estimates this morning, and we're ripping out a beautiful boiler that's past his age, ripping it out next week. Well, that's another video. But guys, we are heading to a no heat call. And mind you, it is 55 degrees out here. And they want heat. Guys, if it's 95 degrees out here and they want heat, I'm here to give them some freaking heat. Guys, I'm here to provide a service, whatever they want me to do, plumbing, heating, air conditioning. No, I'm not going to come and walk your dog. I'm not a professional dog walker. No, I'm not going to come and take out your trash. No, plumbing, heating, air conditioning. It's 55 degrees out here and they're complaining that they have no heat. Guys, I'm freaking sweating out here. Literally, I have the air conditioner on. I got it set to 65. 67. Guys, we are heading to go give this lovely customer, this lovely new customer, some heat. They found us on the Facebook. I can't say what page it is because I'm going to do a little trivia right now. But guys, we are heading to a no heat call, and they telling me they have a gas-fired steam boiler there. I asked them what kind, they don't know. I asked what color is the boiler itself. The jackets, they say it's like a dark navy blue. I'm going with a Weil Mclain. I'm going with a gas-fired Weil Mclain steam boiler. We're heading there now, and we are going to give them some heat because they want heat, and it's 55 degrees out here. All right, guys, let's go see what we got. All right, guys. Without showing you any of the street signs or whatnot, we're going to do a little trivia today. And if you can guess what borough we are heading to this morning, I'm going to send you something cool. That's only if you send me an email at m.facciaponte@aol.com. Yes, I still have an AOL account. But guys, whoever guesses right which borough we are heading into this morning, and I'll give you a little hint. I'll give you some of the odds. I'll lessen some of the odds. We are not heading to the borough of Staten Island because we don't go to Staten Island. So if you guys can guess what borough we are heading to right now, and I'll also give you another hint. It's not rush hour, and this traffic is like this every hour of the damn day, and it's 9 a.m. out here. If anybody can guess what borough we are heading to, I'm going to send you something cool. But don't forget, send me an email, m.facciaponte@aol.com. All right, guys, let's go give this lovely new customer some freaking heat. Here we go, guys. Right. I thought we were supposed to get snow. Something about a nor'easter.
Thank God.
Thank God, right?
Only water, right?
Yeah. This place doesn't flood when you get that torrential rain, does it?
This backs up. I get a
That's
little
right.
water in here.
Yeah.
There's nothing really. There's no sewer pipe in there.
Right. Good.
An ancient.
You living here a long time?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
My mother-in-law is, and my wife is born here.
Okay.
So she's here 66 years.
Oh, wow.
We're here.
Okay.
How old is Sal? 31. They're gonna be 32.
Go. Okay.
Jessica's 34.
He's a gentleman, your boy.
34.
He's a gentleman.
Yeah, he's a good kid.
Yeah, you taught him well.
Thank you.
You taught him well, yeah.
I said you needed that.
Yes, okay.
All right.
What'd they charge you for that part? $15? Okay. Not bad. Okay. Good thing we didn't buy it in Manhattan, you know? Wow, okay. An old Weil Mclain.
It's an ancient.
An old Weil Mclain. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Okay. She's kicking, huh? When she runs, she runs.
The only problem I have with it is that the
What?
automatic feeder for the
Uh-huh.
water doesn't work.
the feeder doesn't work. Is it connected?
Yeah, I don't. To be honest with you, I don't know.
Yeah.
But for the last, I don't know, Sal was first Sal's job. Then it became my job when he left.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. All right. So you don't have an automatic feeder. I don't see one. Let's see. Anything over here? I don't see one, John.
Yeah.
You have to manually feed this boiler, huh?
Yeah.
You have to manually feed it. That device that you're looking at is that low water cutoff. That's that mechanical.
This thing here?
Yeah, that's that mechanical low water cutoff there.
Yeah, 'cause that's what I use to drain it every once a week.
Right, you drain it.
Yeah.
Just when you get over.
And then I fill it up
Right.
on the other side. But there is
Yeah.
no automatic.
No, there is no automatic feed here. You have to manually feed this boiler. Wow, but this sight glass is pretty clean. There's a little drip here though. I'll tighten that up for you. There's a little drip here. So we have no heat. Okay.
And hot water.
Yeah. Okay. John, can you turn the thermostat up? All the way up upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll control it from the switch down here. All right. Let's see what we got. We got our Vito proton. We got our own thermocouple, but in this case, we'll install the customer supplied thermocouple there. We'll keep this for stock on the truck. And let's see if they're doing it right. We're gonna turn this guy to pilot. I'm gonna turn this guy to pilot, okay? I'm gonna turn this guy to pilot. Let's see. We're gonna depress the plunger. We're gonna make sure we have gas flow. Gas cock is on, okay. I'm gonna try to manually light this pilot. Let's see, okay. Pilot is lit. And let's see if she stays lit. Let's see. All right. So it's lit. I just want to confirm. I just want to see if, I'm sure Sal tried lighting it yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it wouldn't stay on.
It wouldn't stay lit. Yeah, 9 times out of 10, it's this little thermocouple here.
I think it was changed once. Maybe
Okay.
about 15.
Mm.
Maybe about 15 years ago.
Yeah. Well, you know what? This thermocouple gets more use than somebody that just uses this boiler for space heating. You're using it for domestic water also. So this thermocouple sitting in that pilot flame and burning up even in the summertime.
Yeah.
So it's getting more wear and tear than, you know, than any other home that's just using it for space heating. But let's see. Yeah, John, she's not staying lit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna change it, and that's it. We're gonna change it. Alrighty. Let's change it. That's what we're here to do, right? Change it. Get you some heat and hot water. Where's your boy today?
That's a job somewhere.
Is he? Let's see. What kind of thermostat you have up there, John? You have a digital one, or is it an older round dial?
Yeah.
Round
It's
dial.
not even the round dial. It's a square box with two prongs.
2 prongs on
For
top.
night and one for day.
Yeah, okay. She works, right?
So far.
Yeah, she works. Wow. Wow. There you got let's see. There you got all that asbestos, all that A word up there, you know, on that piping. Morning. Hello. All of that A stuff, all that asbestos. All right. This boiler's what, about 30 years old?
More than that, I think.
35? Wow.
Been here before I was here.
Yeah.
It was our grandmother's house.
Yeah. Oh, wow. So then she's really old.
Yeah.
Oh, man. He's really old. Yeah. Big burner assembly. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Yeah, she's burnt to a crisp. Oh yeah. She's burnt. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Okay, we're gonna change her. All right, John, let me see that new thermocouple there. Thank you, sir. Where'd you pick this up, at a hardware store?
Sal picked it up. I don't know
Oh,
where he
okay.
got it. He must have got it at a hardware store.
Yeah.
Because we were talking about it. As a matter of fact, I didn't even know he went to go get it. You know?
Yeah.
We thought he was going home.
Right.
Then he called his mother, said, open the front door, and came back and gave me this.
Yeah.
He said, Mike needs this. I said, okay.
There you go.
So he must have found somebody around the corner. One of the corner supplies might have been still open.
Yeah, I think there's a Kevin and Richard supply around here. Yeah, the one thing about over here, they have a Kevin and Richard supply open 24 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, but you know what? I think this thermocouple is going to be too short.
Probably.
Yeah, this thermocouple is going to be too short. The 30. I think I need a 36. That's for sure. We're going to find out right now. Oh yeah.
Hey, Patch.
She's too short. Oh yeah, she's too short. Too short. Alrighty. Let's go get a 36-inch. Alright, guys, let's go grab a 48-inch thermocouple off the truck. And good thing that we stock them. Oh, got a bandsaw blade here. Bandsaw blade, we'll put that back. Good thing we stock the 48-inch thermocouples right here by Durst. 48-inch right there. All right, let's go replace it. Oh. And let's go give him some heat. Let's go give him some heat. Durst thermocouple, part number right there. Guys, 48. They make them 30, 36, and 48. We're using a 48-inch here. Here we go. That's what the doctor ordered, you know. Let's see. Staying home today?
No, I've been retired for the past dozen years.
Yeah, you're staying home today? You're staying?
Yeah, we're not going nowhere.
Okay, good.
I'm telling you, she don't feel good upstairs.
Uh-huh.
I have this one downstairs with the aide.
Right.
She don't feel good.
Right.
We're home.
Okay. Where does Sal live? Does he live close by?
No, he's in Staten Island.
Oh, Staten Island.
Yeah,
The one borough I don't go to.
yeah, he's out there. His sister's out there.
He likes it there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's 5 minutes from my sister, so
Oh,
have
good.
them around in case anything.
Oh, good. Did she just have cataract surgery?
Yeah, yesterday.
Wow. I was born with them. I had them done maybe 10 years ago. How's she doing? Yeah. Yeah, the recovery is not easy. Let's do thermocouple. All right. Let me just tighten up that sight glass over there that's dripping a little bit. Let's see. I got the Nipics. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
This one didn't get tuned up this year. It got tuned up the year.
I'm gonna change. Really? Well, I mean,
Too late with this new company that's okay. Then I find out that they don't work on this type of unit.
They don't. Yeah, we do tune-ups. Every year this thing should be serviced. Every year. Yeah, every year that lower the cutoff should be flushed out. We can do a combustion test on it. Make sure it's burning properly. Make sure it's not giving off any high levels of carbon monoxide. We give you heat, but we want to give you some safe heat, But I feel like we're ending towards the cold winter months. But this is a cold start boiler, so you use this for domestic water. So yeah, I would consider a tune-up in the future. Absolutely. Let's see. It's a busy area over here, busy block. A lot of traffic over here. You hear the cars flying by upstairs or the buses?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
But we're so used to it now, it's second.
Yeah.
We get used to the quiet.
Uh-huh. Right. Okay. Was there a combustion plate here? A plate that went in front of this guy? Oh, right here.
Yeah, we moved them all out of the way.
Good idea. Okay.
And we didn't pay the thing back together.
Yeah. Yeah, good idea. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. All right, John, I would say give it 20 minutes to get some hot water. But yeah, if you were serious about doing a tune-up, I would consider it. We do a combustion test on it. We make sure it's burning properly, make sure the air to fuel ratio is good. You know, this thing is, I know I said 35 years old, but this thing has got to be over 60. I mean, I'm curious to see if it is burning properly, but no, she's a workhorse. Weil Mclain, one of the originals, you know? Wow, one of the originals. Definitely. But yeah, let her do its thing. But yeah, all that freaking asbestos up there, you know? That's how they insulated pipes back then, you know? That was their best option. But a lot of people are getting sick, you know, from working in that decade back then. Court's got plenty of cases. That's for sure. Whites in Luxembourg. They're the famous ones, you know? They're all over. But yeah, she's up and running, and I'm gonna put the cover back, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna take this. I'm not gonna charge you for this thermocouple. I'm gonna take care of that for you because I opened your part. So I'll tell Sal that I'll eat that. All right. Perfect. Oh yeah, she's hot. Beautiful. All right. As we change the thermocouple and recommended a tune-up on that guy, but yeah, nice little popcorn texture on this thing. One of the originals. Wow. Nice. Correct. I want to just take a moment. To enjoy the moment of working for such nice people out here. We don't come across them a lot, but when we do, we appreciate them. And especially on a Friday late morning, or it's 10:30, we appreciate doing work for these special customers. Guys, we were so much appreciated that we got a nice tip. We got a nice generous tip. And, you know, I come out of my way to come to this borough. Still got that trivia poll going up. Come to this borough to take care of this lovely new customer. Much appreciated with this tip. And I got a tip for you guys out there. If you're in need of any plumbing, heating, air conditioning needs or services, if you have a gas-fired steam or a hydronic boiler that has never been serviced before, and guys, tune-ups are not a myth on your home heating system, give us a call. We're here to help. Let's run that tune-up. Let's run that combustion test. Guys, on this one, I know you guys are going to say I didn't pull out my combustion analyzer. I know. You guys are going to give me some flack on that. The boiler is 60 years old. 60 freaking years old. Over 60. I'm going to say it's like over 65 years old. For those of you who think that boiler is burning properly, I don't know. You guys might have your thoughts, comments, and feedback. But the inside of that burner tray looked pretty clean. There was a nice blue flame. Guys, you want a nice blue flame on your burner. Orange flame, improper combustion. Not enough oxygen. Not enough airflow. You want that blue base of the flame at the bottom and a nice blue tip at the end of it. Remember that. But we sold him a tune-up. And he's going to call us shortly. Whether it be in the next couple weeks, next month, whenever he feels comfortable in calling us. Guys, we are not here to put a pressure on anybody. We're here to just give you guys our professional opinion. And that's what we're doing out here. So big thumbs up to this lovely new customer. The tip was much appreciated. We're going to enjoy a nice lunch today. That's for sure. But I don't know where we're going yet. So guys, on that note, that's how you change a 36-inch thermocouple. I'm sorry. Yes, a 36-inch thermocouple, and we replaced it with a 48-inch. I didn't have any 36s on the truck, so we put a 48 in. When it comes to think of it, there's a tech tip for me. Supply some 36-inch thermocouples. But guys, another happy customer out here, and they could sleep good tonight with some nice heat and some nice hot water, even though it's still 58 degrees out here. Guys, on that note, let's do yours next, baby. Let's do it. Come on, we're here. We're here. Why waste any time? Just give me a call. 646-423-2174. I'm going to leave a contact info like I always do in the description box on this video here. Guys, hit that thumbs up button. If you're on YouTube, hit the thumbs up button. If you're on Facebook, hit the like button. And if you're on Instagram, hit that little round red heart emoji on Instagram. Guys, stay blessed, stay safe, and let's do yours next.